Hi, I'm G. Balachandra. I'm going to explain about why light move at constant speed. The reason is time dilation. Let me see with the help of diagram how it works. Now assume there is an object which is moving at 200,000 km per second, and there is a light source, and the light is moving at and the light is moving at 300,000 km per second. Now when this light is passing by this object, it is going to pass by with 300,000 km per second. Why is so? In my observation, I would say it is because of time dilation. The phenomena of time dilation that happen around the object in motion. So in a way we can say this region where the object is in motion, in this case at 200,000 km per second, when this object in motion, we can experience, the object will experience time dilation. Now let me see why the light have to or can't contain in this zone where the phenomena of time dilation occur, because there is a modification of space-time in this region when there is an object in motion as per the relativity theory. Now let me see it this way. A mass has to need time, but that is not the case for massless particle like light. In this case, mass is an object. Now the massless or the light are bound by causality speed limit, or sometimes we call as speed of light, which is 300,000 km per second. Now one more important things we need to know is, at this point the light within this range is actually instantaneous, unlike the mass where at the given time 300,000 km per second, the mass or any object will occupy a space, either any point. It is not instantaneous from this range. Now therefore, when the light is moving, the light need to obey the causality speed limit, which is 300,000 km per second, and the light is instantaneous. Now here in this region, the phenomena of time dilation has happened. Now this particular situation or condition is in a way a violation for massless particle or light, which is instantaneous within that speed limit. Now, if the light were to enter into this region or the zone where time dilation occurs, the light can't sustain this particular speed because there is a modification of space-time. Therefore, the light will repel from the zone to obey its own rule of causality speed limit, whereby as a massless particle the light would again gain the speed of 300,000 km per second. Now it is almost like this. For example, there is a water body. There is a ball. This is an air. When we push the ball inside the water, this is water body. When we push the ball inside the water, the ball will repel out again to the air because the ball are filled with air and it is in the air. Similarly, when the light enter the zone where the phenomena of time dilation occurs, as how the ball will repel out or being pushed out from the water body, the light will be pushed out because of the modification that has happened in the space-time, simply because the light has to obey its own causality speed limit. So in this case, we can say or conclude that at any given time, the light will move at constant speed immaterial to the object or the speed of the object, simply because an object will experience a phenomena of time dilation, and this time dilation phenomena or the modification of space-time is a violation for the causality speed limit, and the light has to obey to the causality speed limit. But that is not the case for an object where at any given time within that causality speed limit or within the second or 300,000 km, the causality speed limit for the mass, it is not instantaneous. At any given point, it has its location, but that is not the case for light. Within that range of 300,000 km per second, the massless particle or light is instantaneous. Because of this two, the nature of mass and the massless, when a light passes by an object in motion, immaterial whether the light moving away from the source or the object is moving towards the source, or the light is moving away from the source and the object moving away from the source, or even in perpendicular, the light will be repelled out from the time dilation zone. Thank you.